Southern Maryland, Midweek Cruise-In Wednesday. Leonardtown. I'm John. This is Out of Order Garage. Thanks for watching, folks. Hey, we just hit 10,000 subscribers. Thanks to everybody for the support. Yeah, we got all kinds of cars here. Challenger, got a RG8, El Camino, Chevelle, 69 Chevelle. Here we got a 66 442. Frank's awesome 427 Galaxy. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. We got a 66 Chevelle here at Bill Bailey's Chevelle. Ford Street Rod. Awesome Porsche. What's going on, fellas?
Hey, John, how you doing?
Good. Stem's 32, all steel. 392 old school Chrysler Hemi in there. 65 Falcon convertible. The Crown Vic. We'll look at those trucks in a minute. Billy's Henry J. This has the LS air conditioning, and you can drive this thing anywhere. Oh yeah. All right, let's go over here. We got a couple other things to look at. I like these 53 to 56 Fords. This one's, I forget what year this one is exactly. What's that?
Some of that boat.
I saw it at the Cars and Coffee. It's awesome.
Okay. I got a question.
There's Robert's truck here. Let's take, okay, let's take a look at this boat. Robert's grandfather built this. Look at the inlay work on this thing.
Yeah,
that is absolutely
that's some
perfect.
beautiful work in it.
That's crazy, isn't it?
It is beautiful work. I mean, where he's molded the windshield in and tapered it back. I mean, that's a lot of nice workmanship in that thing.
It's awesome.
The dash.
Every detail
is
just right. Here's another Ford truck. '71, I think. Neat. Check out this Camaro. Color's awesome. It really doesn't show on camera like it does in reality. Pretty neat, huh? Francis's F100. Look at the paint on this thing. It's got a little bit of a metallic tinge to it. Twin I-beam.
I got to text my people up this meeting dinner right now.
It's a 66?
66, yeah.
66 F100 short box. How about this C10? Came in and bagged it down. Pretty neat. Seen him before. This truck is neat. Yeah. It's Tim's, I think it's 55 F100. Ford powered. Pretty neat. Here's one that's a little more stock. So it's kind of neat to compare the two. Let's get a look on this side. Yeah.
Ford.
Stock or modified? Take your pick. Check this Mustang out. Beautiful color. Thing's clean. Very, very nice. Walt 70 Chevelle. Got 454 in it. That's pretty neat. 4-speed. Neat. This thing is nice. Great bodywork and paint. How about 57 Chevy? 4-door. With the back door handle shaved. Neat car. Pretty loud when it came in. It's got a rompity romp motor. Pretty nice stuff. Another Henry J rolled in. This one's a little bit differently built than the gray one. It's got wheel tubs. It's a quote-unquote street car, but a little bit more geared towards the high-performance gasser look than the other one. They're both neat. Which one's your favorite? Chevy. I think that might be a 32. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments. Nicely done. Nice car. That'll probably do it. Midweek Cruise-In. Might rain later. That kept some people out. It's pretty warm earlier. It's nice now. I'm John. This has been Out of Order Garage. Thanks for watching, folks. Really appreciate it.